He's the one and only tiger, the one who'll make a dike. Frosted flakes are more than good.
I think this will work just fine.
Just the foam? Oh, that looks fine.
Right, it's got to be evened out more.
That looks great, sir. Today we are making the foam of my thumbs up.
So I gotta do a few sprays of this. Gotta wait.
We gotta wait.
Just need to let it dry and then hit it again.
Oh, it came from Pennsylvania, down by Drew. Made especially for mold making and casting.
Yeah,
Ease Release 200, general purpose mold release that works with silicone and urethane mold making rubbers. Will release urethane, epoxy.
Smooth Eye.
By Soma Foma.
No, Soma Foma by Smooth Eye.
Shake well before use. Hold can 12 inches from model surface. Apply a thick, light mist coating to all surfaces. Brush with a soft brush over all the surfaces. Apply another light mist coating to release agent less damp for 5 minutes before applying material. So gotta spray it in there again.
Yeah.
Soma Foma.
Soma Foma. Make sure you get down in your thumb too. I always spray the edges too because it sticks. Sometimes it spills out. Like the outside edges.
How do I coat all this? Does it stick like when it hits? Or is it just
it's fine.
trial and error?
That's why it's fine. That's good.
Alright, next up. We'll get you a crock. And it is a 2-part Soma Foma A to 1 part Soma Foma B. Ah! The carpet is, ground is caving in.
Yeah, don't do that.
I can see it's still spring weather.
You are gonna put some A in here. Like half of, well, do a decent amount, not like full. Oh gosh, I will die. Yeah.
I'm sinking in the ground as I'm pulling. Alright, Soma Foma, step A.
Oh wait, what did I do with the, oh I forgot the color.
Can we do it green or something?
So we're gonna just put some A in here and some B in here so you can pour it into this without using the bucket. So like,
so how much? Like half of it?
Yeah.
Boy, this is gonna be really awkward.
So yeah, it pours thick. Okay. Cool. Good. Pull back. Got it.
Got a paper towel or something?
Yes, we do.
Let me get the color. And then we'll put a little in the other one.
No, yeah. Put B in the other one, but you can do like half of that half.
Stay over there.
Actually, yeah, do half of the half. Then the other plastic stuff.
Yep. Soma Foma. Soma Foma Part B. 2 parts A, 1 part B. Half. 1, 2, a little more. Soma Foma. Okay. Looks pretty good.
Hey, have you seen Mommy's friend?
Who's Mommy's friend?
I mean, like the girl.
Lexi?
Yeah.
Inside somewhere.